Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. And the first one what you can do is to check if you have the last software version. Open the application, click on your earbuds here, then scroll down and click at the update. Now checking, and it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. And check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it don't help you, place your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earbuds and the charging case will update, and after 15 seconds just open it, remove it and check is it fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!